Hi everyone, welcome back to another Raymondo Ramble upload. So this is the drone footage that I promised from the walk I did from Loudon, the circular. So we're going to take a flight down to where the lakes are. Now unfortunately I couldn't go any further than the end of this field. I was hoping to capture some footage of the lake further along, but problem is it's restricted airspace. So this is as far as I could go. I went this far and then stopped. So yeah, I would love to have been able to take footage further along at the back there, but it just weren't possible. So yeah, just enjoy and thanks for watching. Now I couldn't help but film this bit and follow him. It was a Porsche 911. I wish they had the sound working on this because it sounded awesome. So I traced it just up the road here as it goes into the village. Then disappears off into the distance. There's a church right onto the right hand side there. I will upload that in a different recording on Sunday. So please make sure you tune in for that one. A big thank you if you've made it this far, made it to the end. Do appreciate it. Please remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I'll upload the church footage on Sunday. So thanks for watching and goodbye.